Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what life would be like beyond physical reality, where our experiences, relationships, and even our daily lives could extend into vast digital worlds? Well, that's exactly what the metaverse is all about. Today, we're going to break down what the metaverse really is, how it works, what you can do inside it, and why tech giants are pouring billions into shaping its future. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete picture of why the metaverse might just redefine the way we live, work, and play. So grab your headset, because this is going to be a journey into the future. Let's dive in. What is the metaverse? The metaverse is a massive, shared virtual space that blends our physical and digital realities. Imagine a version of the internet you can literally step inside, not just scrolling through feeds or clicking on links, but walking around, talking to people, and interacting with 3D environments as if they were real. It's not limited to one activity. In the metaverse, you could attend a live concert, hold a business meeting, take a virtual vacation, or even design your own digital world. Think of it like a giant playground where your imagination sets the rules. How does the metaverse work? So how does something this big actually function? The metaverse is powered by a mix of cutting-edge technologies, virtual reality VR. This transports you into fully digital environments using VR headsets. You can explore, play, and engage with 3D spaces that feel immersive and lifelike. Augmented reality AR layers digital elements on top of the real world, for example, using your phone or smart glasses to see virtual objects blended with your surroundings. Mixed reality MR goes one step further, merging VR and AR together. With special glasses and haptic feedback devices, you don't just see digital objects, you can actually interact with them in ways that feel physical. Together, these technologies make the metaverse feel more like stepping into an alternate dimension than browsing a website. Inside the metaverse, what's it like to actually be inside the metaverse? Picture a boundless 3D social network. Instead of a profile picture, you have a customizable avatar. Instead of scrolling through posts, you enter social hubs where you can meet friends, chat, play games, or collaborate. It's immersive. You don't just watch, you feel present. You might explore futuristic cities, fantastical landscapes, or digital recreations of real places. Some platforms even let you feel sensations through haptic devices, making digital interactions surprisingly lifelike. In short, the metaverse takes social connection, entertainment, and creativity to an entirely new level. What can you do in the metaverse? Now, here's where things get really exciting. The metaverse isn't just one thing, it's a universe of possibilities. Here are some of the most popular activities. Play games. Gaming is at the heart of the metaverse. From platforms like the Sandbox to fully immersive VR worlds, players can not only enjoy games but also earn rewards, trade items, and even cash out earnings into cryptocurrency wallets. Create games and worlds. Some platforms give you the tools to build your own digital spaces. With apps like Horizon Worlds, you can design interactive environments, from casual hangout spots to full-on multiplayer games. Buy virtual real estate. Believe it or not, people are already buying and selling virtual land. These parcels of digital property can be developed, rented out, or resold, just like real-world real estate, except it all happens on the blockchain. Be whoever you want through customizable avatars. You can reinvent yourself, change your look, style, body, or even become a completely fictional character. The metaverse gives you a new layer of self-expression. Work and collaborate. Virtual offices and campuses are already a thing. Companies can host meetings, brainstorming sessions, or events in 3D spaces with tools like infinite whiteboards and shared digital workrooms. Socialize and make friends. The metaverse makes long-distance connections feel more real. People are even holding weddings inside it, with friends and family attending virtually. Shop for digital and real products in the metaverse. You can walk into a virtual store, try on clothes, and buy them with crypto, either for your avatar or for delivery in the real world. The possibilities are expanding every day. The future of the metaverse. Where is all this heading? The metaverse is still in its early stages, but the potential is massive. The idea first appeared in Neal Stephenson's 1992 novel Snow Crash, but it went mainstream in 2021 when Facebook rebranded as Meta, signaling a $10 billion commitment to building metaverse technologies. Microsoft followed with a $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, betting on the future of immersive online worlds. Bloomberg analysts predict the metaverse could become an $800 billion market in the near future. As technology evolves, avatars will become more realistic, environments more detailed, and interactions more natural. This won't just impact gaming, it will transform industries like education, healthcare, business, and e-commerce. Imagine training for a new job in VR, shopping in a fully interactive mall from your living room, or attending school in a shared 3D campus. The metaverse isn't just about entertainment, it could reshape how we live, work, and connect. So there you have it, the metaverse explained. It's not just science fiction anymore. It's a rapidly growing digital universe that could change our world in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Now I want to hear from you. Would you spend more of your life inside the metaverse if it became mainstream? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. And if you made it this far, type 100 in the comments so I know you're part of the Future Ready crew. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world of technology and innovation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.